Hello guys, welcome back to BMR Picket Stocks channel. How are you all? So let's get into the video.
Today we are preparing chicken lollipops. Ingredients: garlic cut into small pieces, ginger cut into small pieces. Cut the chicken like this. If you keep like this, the chicken will be well marinated by the masalas and all. The masalas will go into the chicken, then the taste will enhance. Take one bowl and add chicken pieces into the bowl and add ginger garlic paste, salt as per your taste, pepper powder, pinch of food color, beat an egg into the chicken. Now mix these all. After mixing, take another bowl and add garlic pieces and ginger pieces. Add a pinch of food color. Add corn flour. If corn flour is not available, you can use maida. Add water and mix the corn flour and all the ingredients. Add pepper. Add salt. Now mix again. Take one bandi and add oil into it. Add the marinated chicken into the corn flour mixture. Dip the chicken like this into the corn flour. Add all the chicken pieces and coat the chicken like this. The chicken pieces need to be well marinated. Add the marinated chicken into the deep fry bandi. The corn flour mixture need to be well coated to the chicken. The chicken need to be fried very well. The chicken inside also need to be cooked. So keep the stove in the low flame. The chicken is being fried. Wait for some time. The chicken pieces need to be very reddish color. The chicken pieces are being fried. Take these fried pieces out to the plate. Our delicious chicken lollipops are ready. Enjoy. Bye bye. See you all in next video and comment and let me know. Like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the video. Bye bye.